So here, let's take a look each of these main biomes. The first is the tropic rainforest. The first question is, where are tropical rainforests located? Where? Tropic, right? Yeah. Next question, what is a typical weather climate? How about temperature? What is the precipitation? Yeah. Climate characteristic is a little variation in climate. Yeah. Temperature change, almost no change. Daytime, nighttime, no winter, no summer, no spring, no fall. Everyday temperature almost the same, from 20 degrees C to 25 degrees C. Yeah, not much temperature change, but very hot, burning, right? How about the precipitation? Precipitation is huge. Yeah, from 2,000 millimeters to 15,000 millimeters a year. Yeah, because no winter, no summer, no season. However, there is a wet and a dry season. Yeah, sometimes the rain is very high, sometimes maybe a little bit low, relatively low. Which is longer, wet season or dry season? Long dry season. Yeah, maybe 6 to 8 months. Yeah, and during the dry season, maybe some of trees drop their leaves. Is wet season is short, is about 3 months. However, precipitation is very high, from 2,300 to 5,000 millimeters, yeah, per year. It's just 3 months. It's so much. Yeah. So for tropical rainforest, you see, how about the temperature change? How about the rain change? Yeah. So this temperature change not much. However, you can see here there's a jet stream. This is not a tropic. Yeah. So you see in Nevada, there's a temperature 110 this year. Yeah. After this jet stream, temperature dropped to 59. The big variation of temperature. Yeah, so this is not in tropic, not for tropical rainforest. Yeah, here just give you example. Yeah, you can watch this video from Blackboard. Yeah, that is located in my Twitter account. Temperature, precipitation. How about the plants, animals? There's a huge diversity. Tropical rainforest, yeah, likely 50 to 75% of all organisms on Earth are there. So there's Brazil president sometimes encourage their people for the fire. Yeah, this is for the beef industry. It's for the money. That will kill a lot of organisms, destroy the diversity. Yeah, that's a problem. So it's a tropical rainforest. It has a huge diversity. We have protected tropical rainforest, and also there is a more productive. Glucose is the sources of the human demand. There is more productive. Yeah. So you see the MPP is about 900 gram carbon per meter square per year. Yeah. However, the soil is nutrition poor because there is a hot temperature is high and the soil is moist. The bacteria is more active, is working hard to decompose organic matter, release them into atmosphere as CO2. Yeah. Another biome is savanna. Where is the savanna? What is savanna? Savanna is a grassland with a few trees. Yeah, golf field. You see the golf field just like that. A few trees, the grassland with a few trees. That's savanna. Yeah, savanna. Where they are located? Yeah, in the subtropic. Savanna. You see the savanna, then you see big animals. Yeah, because they're grassland. There's some trees, grassland trees. They can work together, support each other. Yeah. Temperature. Temperature is similar as the tropical rainforest. The difference is precipitation. Precipitation is low than tropic. Trees that need water to support. If water is not good enough, not many trees, just a few trees. Grassland has the ability to resist drought. Yeah, can survive under drought condition. Yeah. So for the savanna, the precipitation is less than 1,500 millimeters. Yeah. For the savanna, there is a dry winter season. There's a precipitation that's less than 100 millimeters. And a wet summer season. Yeah. Yeah. Savanna, then you see the savanna, then you see a lot of animals. Tigers, lions, yeah. There's big animals. Yeah, because there's good food, good water for them to survive. Yeah. For the food chain. Yeah. And for the savanna, because a little bit dry, then the fire is frequent. Yeah. Boreal forest. Boreal forest also, there's a conifer forest. Yeah. Sometimes we call it needle leaf forest because the leaf are the needles. Yeah. In Russia, we call it taiga forest. Yeah. Sometimes we call it temperate boreal forest. This is a huge area on the earth for this biome. Yeah. Where they are located? In Canada, in Russia. Yeah. What is the temperature? Temperature is low. It's cold. Yeah. This is located between 45 and 60 in the north latitude. Yeah. New York is 42 latitude, right? Yeah. So in the north, precipitation not is mainly on the snow because of cold. Yeah. And precipitation between 250 millimeters to 800 meters. Yeah. Yeah. It's not too dry because that's cold. Yeah, relative humidity is not too low. Yeah, so that is a boreal forest is the world's largest land biome. Yeah, and because of the cold, this diversity is low. Yeah, some animals or some plants cannot survive in this cold condition. Tundra, tundra. Yeah, this is located in in the polar area, very cold. Temperature, winter temperature can be below, can be a negative 34 degrees C. Yeah, summertime is very short. Yeah, just a few weeks. Yeah, temperature in the summer that's also below 10 degrees C. So growing season is very short. Yeah, but this soil, because of cold, this tundra is not productive. However, because of cold, this organic matter can be very well preserved because freezing. This soil is permanent freezing. Just put organic matter, just put your bread, milk in the refrigerator, protect it to be crafted. Yeah, so the soil is rich in organic matter, is deep. Yeah, so and this diversity is lowest. Yeah, uniform Moses. So because this diversity is low, so that's very fragile to the disaster, to the abrupt climate change. Yeah. So it's, it's, the resistance low to extreme weather, and the recovery ability is low from disturbance. Yeah, that's tundra, biome. Chaparral, chaparral, that's the typical Mediterranean vegetation. Yeah, it's a shrub, grassland. Yeah, a short trees. Yeah, where they are located? They're located like California, Mediterranean, South Australian. Yeah, what the characteristics of climate? The Mediterranean climate is characterized by hot and dry, cold and wet. This type weather, yeah, that's different. That's different with is opposite to the monsoon. Yeah, for the monsoon, uh, this in a monsoon in here this in the summer, this moist hot air move to the land. Is moist, a lot of rain and a lot of energy. Energy, water come together. In the winter, this cold, dry air come together, yeah, from north to the south. So cold, dry. In the summer, moist and hot. That's monsoon weather. This Mediterranean is hot, dry, cold, wet. Yeah, so that's different. So there's different. Usually, this Mediterranean biome is characterized by dry. Yeah, you see a lot of fire for the California. Yeah, from south to north. Yeah, this is dry condition. Yeah. Yeah, grassland is also larger biome. Yeah, terrestrial biome is because this is a grassland. That means the water is not good enough to support tree growth. Yeah, so that's precipitation usually is less than 750 millimeters per year. Yeah. So this soil at the surface is moist, but the deep soil is dry. That's for the grassland. Yeah. Grassland because dry, the fire are frequently occurring. Yeah. Desert. Desert. Why is it desert? Because it's too dry. No precipitation. If annual precipitation is less 215 millimeters, that would be desert condition. That's a desert. Yes, Sahara Desert, subtropic area. There is air is always in the sinking side of a Hadley circle. Yeah, Hadley cell. Air is sinking and drying. Yeah. And also for the mid of Australian and in China, in the Mongolians, there is a Gobi Desert. Yeah, it's typical for the United States, Nevada desert. Yeah, too dry. Precipitation is too little. It's a little desert.